So welcome back to my channel. so you can read up here what happens now. So we gonna do, me and RCelf, a giveaway for you, all the viewers here and subscribers. Also we have a giveaway, so I will show you what it is, and then I will do the rules, what happens. So ta-da! This is the giveaway. So no, I'm joking, it's not a giveaway. So with the magic of video, I will show you what is the giveaway. So ta-da! So this is the giveaway. So you can see it's not only the RC you have to build it, you have the remote controller and the receiver. You got also 4 AA batteries and also a Traxxas servo waterproof. I have this here, I never use it, so I put it with it, and the only thing you have to buy is your battery and your charger if you don't have it. If you have it, so good. So it is Tamiya radio control 4-wheel drive off-road car, the CC01 chassis, shaft drive 4-wheel drive. It is the FG Cruiser, the Toyota FG Cruiser. So is with the clear body, because the other one you don't have it anymore. So because then it was an orange one, but in this one you can paint your body. If you like that I do the paint before that I send it, with pleasure I will do it for the winner. So all the rest I will tell it after this. So we are again. For begins with the rules. RCelf and me, the giveaway is 50-50, so it's from we two. The rules: it is only for the people that don't get anything of RCelf. So if you all receive something from RCelf, give the chance to the other people to win this. I know there are people there got gifts from RCelf, so you don't try to come in it. You don't go after chance. I know, and it's easy to find it on YouTube or on Google, so don't try. That's the first rule. Second rule: it is only for my subscribers. So if you are new on this channel and you are subscribed, it's good for the next time, not for this time, because this is only for my subscribers. I don't do it for have more subscribers, so don't try it. If you will and you like my channel, you are welcome. Subscribe for the next time of giveaway, because there will come other giveaways in the future. Second rule is to tell me what model of car of can block that I have in my collection. If you know, you have just to email it to me, not to put it down below. You can put down below what do you like, the nice comments, etc., but not the answer down below. But not the answer down below. But not the answer down below. Just email me. I will put the email down below in the description, and don't try to put it down because I will delete it. So, and yeah, also everyone, welcome to the premiere too. So hello everyone in the chat there. So today we are the 19th December and the 22 is my birthday, so that's 3 days. So I will do it if you answered. If I have many answered, the stop date is I will say the 24. I will take the names, they are correct with the answer. The 25 I will do with my kids the taking of the name of the winner, and the 26 I will release the video with the winner. So I hope it's clear. So you have 1 2 3 4 5 days. Don't put it down below, just email me, and when I got your email I will respond to your email too, so don't scare for that. So this is, I think, a nice giveaway, a build kit. So because I have much fun with the builds that I have the few days that passed, so I enjoyed it really much. So I have to do the other one I gonna do with my son. So that's is it, guys and girls. Don't forget to like, to share with friends or Facebook or Instagram or what else. Also comments down below what do you think. I appreciate it also. And yeah, thank you for watching for the giveaway of RC Elf and me. So see you soon and be safe. Happy holidays too. That's it, guys and girls. So bye bye. Don't forget to email me if you like to win. So bye bye. Peace.